Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we embark on a cosmic journey to explore the mesmerizing phenomenon of nucleosynthesis. Get ready to uncover the epic tale of how the elements we know and love were forged in the hearts of stars. Imagine a universe where the building blocks of matter, atoms and elements, are created through the fiery furnaces of stars. This awe-inspiring process, known as nucleosynthesis, unveils the origin stories of the elements that make up our world. There are two main types of nucleosynthesis: primordial nucleosynthesis, which occurred in the first moments after the Big Bang, and stellar nucleosynthesis, which takes place within the cores of stars. Elements like hydrogen and helium were born in the intense heat of the Big Bang itself. As stars ignite and burn, they synthesize heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and even the precious metals. But it doesn't end there. Explosive events like supernovae spread these newly formed elements into space, where they mix and mingle, eventually becoming the raw materials for planets, galaxies, and even life itself. As we conclude our cosmic exploration of nucleosynthesis, we are left with a profound appreciation for the interconnectedness of all matter and the grand symphony of creation that plays out in the cosmos. Like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science episodes. Until next time, remember that the elements that form our world were once stardust, intricately woven into the fabric of the universe, 1 minute at a time.